endurance isn't my thing really, so these 3 days will be a challenge for me. Hi, I'm Tim.
Hi, I'm Amanda,
and we're Travel Fit. And I have a sore finger from too much paddling. I've just woken up, it's day one, starting with a 40k ride. We're home at the moment on the Gold Coast, so I'll do a 40k loop here and then pack the boat and off to Brisbane for my ski. So let's get into it. So I'm going colour-coded socks to Jersey. Amanda always says I'm not colour coordinated, so I'm going to make a point of colour coding my socks every day. Right, I've started the ride. I couldn't actually sleep last night, so I didn't get to sleep till about midnight. I don't know why, maybe I'm excited. Just going up over Burley Hill. It's been really mindful of not pushing too hard. It's a big 3 days. So every hill I'm just going to chuck it into an easy gear. Sure is beautiful though. Time to turn around and head home. And that'll be my first 40 done. Awesome, turned around, headwind the whole way home. Thought it was pretty easy coming out. And my bike has developed a creak. I'm gonna not really try to think about that, but I fucking hate creaks on my bike. Alright, ride one done, 40.24k. Okay, that can go there.
Do you want 2 muesli bars?
Is that going to be a little bit too
Squishy? I'll put that one on. What else is the phone? The support crew role is probably a bit more crucial than I thought. I'm not often a support crew. Tim's been my support crew for the last few events that I've done, and now I'm supporting him, and I probably should have listened more carefully when he was talking about what he was doing and where he was going, etc., and made sure that we were properly planned, because I felt like it was a bit like, oh, I'm not really sure how this is working.
And head out past Ipswich to start my paddle. So it's only 18 kilometres today. Alright, so day one of paddling, 18k. I'm at a place called Colo. This is the Brisbane River and it's pretty narrow. So this is my starting point. See this, so I don't know what the fuck I'm going to do here. I'm going to have to carry the boat, I guess. Oh, look how narrow this is. I took a wrong turn. Amanda could see where I needed to go. There's other kayaks up here. God, I hope I don't bottom out here. This is actually the Brisbane River. Look how narrow it is. I've got to go around all these logs and stuff. I never knew it got so narrow. I guess it turns into a little creek somewhere. Very cool. I'm about 6k in, first day, in a part of the Brisbane River I've never seen. Check this out. Who would ever know? It's just stunning.
part one of the paddling going well so far. I can check his location on my phone, so I know he's on the way. I guess about another hour or so. I'm just waiting in the car for him.
And now there's this thing. Holy shit, I think that must be a weir. Water treatment plant. It's all barbed wire fence. So day one, I've gone about 12k. I can't go any further because of this bloody damn wall or weir or whatever the hell it is. So I'm over here. I've just rung Amanda. I'm going to have to carry the ski out of here somehow. I'm just up there at the moment. Someone did actually say to me, well, how are you going to get across the weir? And I probably should have listened a little closer. Thank you, Josh. We have to somehow carry the ski out, so
How you feeling?
I'm good. Oh, tired, but my hands are sore. And I'm okay. I'm good.
Excited?
Yeah, today's the big one. 29k paddle. I've never done that. 16k is my longest, so just take my time and I'll be right. Why am I doing this? Well, at first it's because I got a couple of races coming up. I got a road creep race, bike race, and I'm doing this paddle event, 11k on Sydney Harbour. And so, you know, a bit of a training camp, get me into it. But you know, now that I'm out here, I mean, it's just me. There's not another soul around. It's just beautiful, and I think it's more the adventure and the serenity of it. And I mean, how many people have seen this part of the Brisbane River? Shit, I know I hadn't. You know, I'm just in my little ocean kayak here, and I'm pretty new to that, but here I am. And I think that's why I'm doing this, and I'd like to do more of this sort of thing because it's just fantastic. You know, you get one body, you got to treat it right, and you got to do stuff like this, and that's what I plan to do. And I'm on cloud 9 at the moment. This is just magical. So it's 5:30. Got on the water early, very still as you can see. You got to go with the punches doing this sort of thing. I lost my sunnies. I went back and looked for them, couldn't find them. I reckon they dropped in the river. So that's all part of the fun when you do something like this. I'm going straight east, which is into the sun, very glary. But you know, then you just stop and you look around at this, and it's all pretty good. Alright, my second stop. Just over 15k, so I'm over halfway. My ass is killing me, my god. I'm gonna have to stop more regularly. The tide's on my side now, so that's a bonus. About 25k. I think I've only got about 3k to go, but I can't sit in the boat for more than 10 minutes. Oh, I am in so much pain. Oh god, look at this mud I'm trying to stand on. Oh, so close. It's still beautiful, but it's hard to enjoy it. I'm just going to sit here for 5 minutes and then the homeward stretch. Oh, this is tough. Well, I made it 28.5k. Biggest paddle of my life. And back to the masses of boats.
Is that fun?
Oh,
Not yet.
it will be soon. It was very hard. $40.65k, so ride 2 done. So that's 4 sessions, 2 days. So let's say 5 hours today, 4 hours yesterday. So 9 hours in 2 days, 1 day to go. Actually feeling not too bad. Feeling pretty good. Yeah. Who's that? Oh, is that you guys? 2.5k already. 20 to go. Here I am on the final day. I've only got about 9k left to paddle, so 22k today. No wind, water's beautiful and calm. Magic day. Actually feeling stronger. Best I've felt, my 3rd day paddle. So total of 22. Took some anti-inflammatories before I got in the boat, which helped my back and my bum and everything a bit. Feeling really positive, really loving it. you know, great experience. Anyone can do this. I'm no elite athlete or anything like that. Just out there having a crack at it. Really enjoyable. So 9k and my 3-day paddle, which is almost 70k paddling, done and dusted.
That's a good time.
Yeah, current's much stronger up this end. Yes. That's it. Look at this, and I thought I had no friends. Not associated with you. Oh my God, they either feel sorry for me or they really are my friends. Oh, yeah. Just clicked over 40k, my 6th session in 3 days. About 11.5 hours total training. 62 paddling, 120 on the bike. Feeling tired, but feeling great. Very, very fun. Home, dinner, bed. They may have to take the finger off.